Hello, my name is Sheila Halliday. I'm going to go through Enhancement 7. So we're going to start off in our code. Let's do the vehicles first. So we'll start in our controller. Okay. We are going to log ourselves in. Okay. So we are logged in. Let's go down to Inventory Management. We are going to pick the car. Let's just pick the top one. Modify. We are going to take this car and we put the wrong color in, so we're going to say that it's actually black. And all the other fields are going to stay the same. We don't have to change them, but we need to make sure that everything is filled in. And then update. Congratulations. The Ford Model T was successfully updated. We are going to check it in our site up here. This is inventory. So the Ford Model T is now showing black. So we know that it updated that. Okay. Check one thing real quick. Okay. Now, we're going to go back here, since we did that, and we are going to not that one. We can delete any of these cars that we want out. Here it is, sorry. I forgot where I put it. A Honda Accord, because I put this one in. I feel safe taking it out. We're going to hit delete. Here's our page, and it's saying, wants to confirm. This is the delete permanent. We want to, so I'm going to say delete vehicle. Congratulations, the Honda Accord was successfully deleted. We're going to go back here, refresh the page, and I know it was at the bottom, so it's no longer there. It was the last car, and now it is gone. Oh, I need to do validation on these pages. So, HTML, it shows that there is no problems with that. CSS, no problems with CSS. And then let's go back like this. Go back into modify and validate. Oh, so this one was showing an error, and I think it should be fine to continue. It's just telling me that both of my image, the thumbnail, where is it? It is right that these, that these have both the same, but I haven't gotten to the week where we put the images in. So I believe that's fine. Then CSS is good. Okay. Now we are going to go back a page and we'll do it again. I don't think I validated the, there we go. I don't think I validated the delete page. I don't remember if I did. Sorry if I already did this. I really hope my Wi-Fi's not going. There we go. Some days it just slows down. Okay, there's that. And then we're going to validate this. That's good. Okay, now we're going to go back to now that we've done this, I'm going to go into the index for accounts. Here's the accounts controller. Opens up the same page. Update information. Let's validate really quick. That one is good. And this one, that one is good. Okay, now let's add S's, because we need that. Update. And our message is right here. Thanks for updating your information, and it has the new name. Please use your email and password to log in. We can go onto here and go to clients and see that these all now have the S's. Okay, we're going to go back into here. We're going to go down, go back into account information, and we are going to change the password. So there's a new password. And it says, thanks for updating your password. Now we're going to log out and log in with everything that we changed it to. We have our S now on the end. And then we need to put in our new password. And there we go. We check my list. I validated, delete, update, counts. I believe that is it for the week. So, thank you very much. Oh. Trying to get this to stop.